Hi guys, welcome to Tax Tip. Don't forget to watch my first reel. Now let's continue with deductions under section 80C. Next one is housing loan. You can save tax up to 1.5 lakh. Second one is unit linked insurance plan where lock-in period is 5 years and expected returns are around 10 to 12%. Next one is Sukanya Samruddhi account. This is the scheme for girl child. You can put money till the age of 21 and later on you can withdraw. It's a tax free. Even interest is tax free and the expected return is around 8.4%. Next one is fixed deposit. You go to any nationalized bank and you can make a tax saver FD. Lock-in period is 5 years and expect return around 7 to 8%. And the last one in this release, senior citizen deposit scheme. Obviously is for age 60 and above and the expect return around 7.5%. Yes, so these are the smart tips you can use and you can save your tax. I hope you like this reel and don't forget to watch my previous reel and also next reel. Thank you.